Hi, hello everyone. This is Pawan and welcome to Kalyan Job Info. And today I want to let you know that SSC Staff Selection Commission has given the notification of constables GD in the CAPF like NIA, SSF, and some rifles. And here you can check the date for submission of online application is from 17/7/2021 to 31 August 2021, and the last day of receiving the online application, that is 31 August. And you can check that it is based on the all the Central Armed Production Force vacancies, that is like BSF. It is categorized into two categories, that is male and female. In BSF you can check that total vacancies provided, that is 6413. For CISF 7610, and for CRPF there is no vacancies, and Shastriya Seema it is 1616, ITBP 563, and Assam Rifles 1354. The total vacancies for male, that is 22,424, and it is provided for female, that is 2,847. The total vacancies which are allotted to females. And you can check that the upper age limit for SC and ST, that is 5 years, and for OBC 3 years. It is extended from 23 to 23 plus 5 years, that is beyond for ST and SC category persons. For OBC it is added the total age, that is 26 years, 18 to 26 years. The educational qualification for the SSC GD, that is 10th class or matriculation, but it means plus 2. For NCC C certificate candidates, 5% of the maximum marks of the examination. You can think that for 5 marks will be added to the PET exam, for a marks CBT exam. For B certificate, that is allotted 3% marks. For A certificate, 2% marks will be allotted in the CBT exam. Application fees, that will be for 100 for OBC candidates and OC candidates, general categories. For women candidates and candidates belonging to SC, ST, and ex-servicemen eligible for reservation are exempted the firm payment of fee. Center for examinations, it is based on the SSC region, that is Central region and Eastern region, Karnataka region. For Hyderabad candidates, the code that will be examination code, that is 8601. Scheme of the examination, that will be CBET. For it will be of 4 parts: general intelligence and reasoning. It will be of 25 questions and marks allotted 25 marks, and the total given time is 90 minutes for 100 questions. You can check the syllabus also. After the completion of the examination, there will be conducted physical efficiency test and physical standard test. In PET, the candidate have to clear the race within, for male candidates, 5 kilometers in 24 minutes. For female, 1.6 kilometers in 8.5 minutes, and 1.6 kilometers in 6.5 minutes. 800 meters in 4 minutes for female candidates. Physical standards you can also check. For all candidates belonging to ST category, male guys should have a height of 162.5 centimeter. Female, they should have 150 centimeters. For another categories except ST, male candidates should have 170 centimeters. Female should have 157 centimeters. And these are the certificates for medical examination and verification, that is matriculation or SSC, so a memo, and permanent residence address issued by the company authority, MR office. And if you guys have NCC certificate, then you can bring that, and some of the other nativity certificates. While going to the exam, you should bring any of these following documents as a proof: Aadhaar card or voter ID or driving license or PAN card or passport. These are the things you should all us to follow. That is, SSC GD exam will be conducted on 3 phases. That is examination, CBT, and another one is PET, PST, and third one is the medical standard test. These are the 3 things you should go on through, and practice mock test as soon as possible, and practice running also. Thank you. Have a great day, and subscribe to my channel Kalyan Job Info. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.